Okay, y'all, so I do not know what happened to my intro, but anyways, today I'm going to basically just be making my Fruit de Loops body butter. It is Fruit Loops scented. As you guys can see, I went ahead and wiped off my area, and I applied this tablecloth that I got from Dollar Tree because making body butter does get a little messy, and this was my first time making this body butter, so I had to get the piping and everything down packed. So if you guys see me struggling or it looks crazy, don't mind that, okay? It's your girl first time. But anyways, I went ahead and set up my area. And after I did that, I was gonna go in with this hot plate and melt my butters down, but the hot plate started smelling funny, so I was like, let me just transfer it over to my stove. So I did the double boiler method. So you guys want to do that first, melt down your hard butters, which whatever butter you choose to use, whether it's cocoa butter, shea butter, whatever butter you decide to use, you want to melt that down first. And while it's melting down, I went ahead and put in my arrowroot powder into that, and once it's fully melted, I added my oils. So I did 70% butters and 30% oils. So I don't know if that helped you guys, but that's basically what I did. Once you added your oils and your butters together, you want to place it into the freezer until the top is solidified. The middle is still going to be liquidy. You just want the top to be solidified. And then what I did was, since the Fruit Loop have different colors, I went ahead with these different bowls. I added the scent, the Fruit Loop scent, into the bowls with the color that I wanted to put into the body butter. And then I went ahead and whipped my body butter up. I whipped it up, and once I whipped it, I put some inside of each bowl to get the different colors. After you get all your colors together, you want to I took a big piping bag and I put all the colors on that piping bag, and then I folded up, as you guys, you'll see what I'm doing. I folded it and then I put that piping bag inside of another piping bag, and I basically just piped it into the jars. Like I said before, this was my first time doing this, so the piping wasn't that great, and it didn't look that good inside of the container, but y'all get the idea. The next time for sure when I make my body butters, y'all gonna see the difference. Okay.